When my sister was being strangled, I was heading downstairs to wait for them at the lobby, to wait for her and her boyfriend downstairs.
Then you had screams or what happened?
No, she just came with her boyfriend. Then all of a sudden there were people there to attack me. I did not know these people and they came out of nowhere. I did not know what had happened to my sister, but I was being attacked.
Did you scream or?
Yes, I did. And in the video that you have all seen, you can see me screaming because one of them is biting my hand.
At about 2:30 a.m., one of the so-called Ndichu twin brothers, I must emphasize that I've probably never heard of them before, given my generation, but I'm told there is a special tag for them, the Ndichu twin brothers. One of them, who we will describe in the manner they were dressed, because you cannot make one out from the other, but the one who on the video recordings is in dark clothing made an improper pass to Stephanie as she was walking past their table by suggesting to her that she was very cute. Stephanie and Samuel went to bring their car around, while Cheryl and Patrick waited in the lobby. Suddenly the two brothers, together with their lady friend, appeared on the ground floor. One of the brothers, together with their lady friend, then proceeded to attack Cheryl and Patrick before they both went back to assault Cheryl. During the incident, the brothers threatened to shoot them. It is fortunate that the hotel security, and later on, after a few minutes, the Kenya police were able to intervene and save the victims from serious injury, if not death. It's partially captured by a phone recording by one of those present, which recording has since gone viral, while we expect the entire incident is captured in the hotel CCTV, both on the 10th floor and the ground floor, and I hope these CCTV recordings will be handed over to the police. Finally, while the Inspector General, Mr. Mtiambai, has given an assurance that the incident will be fully investigated, on our part, due to the alleged influence and power the perpetrators are supposed to wield, we demand that the IG assign the investigation to a special team at police headquarters